Welcome to Margaret's Educational Community.
Okay, so you're probably thinking, Sam, what is Margaret Educational Community? Margaret is a private school that has a kindergarten, daycare, primary school, middle school, and even high school. You want your kids to have a bright future? There's nowhere else to go than Margaret. They provide you with the best ways possible to teach your kids. Best techniques and technology. Margaret Private School offers you so much that it's too good to be true. Now we can't have all of those without a little fun, so let's go. Join us now to make the future brighter.